Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick Bluey snow globe using some clay and Bluey figures. I picked up this clay at Michael's. It's the polymer clay that you bake in the oven. Alright, first things first is I took my white as the base and I molded it to the base to see the size that I need it. I'm going to have to take this off to bake in the oven, but I put my figures in to make sure they'll fit. Side note, I went in a different direction after this. You'll see shortly. Okay, different direction. I used a palm tree instead with some snow on it. I am going to put Bluey on here to make sure she fits, but the palm tree is made out of the clay, and I used a tutorial on YouTube, and I'll link that down below to show you which one I used. And then I'm going to make sure the Bluey figure will fit here. I'll have to glue her down, and then I'll make sure everything fits into the snow globe. The snow globe will require water, glycerin, and glitter. I also have this fun glitter. Okay, I have the water in the globe already. I'm putting it in this little bowl to hold it straight up because I need to add a few drops of glycerin. It needs about a half a teaspoon of this. So you'll just add a few drops and stir it in. Whoop. See, it's little, it'll help make the snow fall not be so fast. And we'll just stir it. Then we can add some glitters, just a little bit of each. That's glitter, another type of white glitter. Whoop. Stir that around. How cool is that? Lots of glitter. I think that's enough glitter. So now I'm going to take the Bluey, and by the way, I glued it with a hot glue gun, but kids, make sure you don't use one without an adult around. They're very hot. It can hurt you. I'll link the tutorial I used to make this palm tree in the description below. I found it on YouTube. I didn't really film all that because it's very kind of tedious process, but this is just clay that you have to bake in the oven to harden. So I did that and then glued it all together. Probably not the proper way to do everything, but we're just doing a little snow globe today. So now it's the big scary part. It's putting Bluey in the globe. You guys ready? I'm so scared. Is it gonna be cold? Okay. Let's see, let's get this tree in. Oh, we might have had a little. Okay, I have the base part in. Press it down, a little water snug out. You can take this further and glue it. I'm not gluing it at this time just because we are low on time. But that'll make sure the water stays in and that there's no accidents. And then you take the screw top, and this is another thing you probably want to put glue around to make it stay. But you just do that. Wow. So there you have it. It's a Bluey snow globe. I know it's usually hot during the summer right now in Australia, so I didn't want to put evergreen trees, so I just decided to make a little snow on a palm tree. And you just shake it and you'll have your very own Bluey snow globe. And here's the one my kid did. We put a combo in it with a blue Hot Wheel. Isn't that awesome? I love this one. So cute. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.